Okay, congratulations on setting up your Facebook Business Manager account. So the next thing we're going to do, as you can see here on the screen, is it's asking us to go and confirm our email address. So we're going to either go, so if you don't have the option here, because everybody's setup can be slightly different, if you don't see go to business settings here, I want you to click on business settings over here on the left, or want you to go down to the end and click on the gear icon. So let's go to the gear icon so we can have a look at that way. So we're in here and we're going to scroll all the way down to business info. So once you're inside business info, it's going to take you down here to confirm your email address. So what you will need to do is enter your email address in here. And click save. Perfect. So that's the first part that we need to do. The rest we're going to start to do now is just complete the rest of the business information in this section, because it's important to make sure that we get everything set up correctly on the back end, that when you actually want to run ads, your account is ready to go and you're not going to have any complications or information that's needed. So next we're going to just fill in our business information here. Okay, so you've popped your information, you're going to click save. Oh, we've got an extra digit there. Okay, so there we have all our information updated. So the next thing that we want to do is connect our Facebook and Instagram accounts.